Hey, howdy, hey, Jack from Cottco Specialty Hardware, and welcome to another edition of Cottco Chronicles. In this episode, we are discussing Polar Hardware 506 stainless steel locks. The 506 is manufactured from 304 stainless steel and is available in two different strike assemblies, flush to 9/16 offset or 5/8 to 1.25" offset, and both are adjustable. Cottco sells lock bodies, strike assemblies, or complete sets. We even have repair kits. The 506 is used in a variety of applications and can be padlocked. This is Polar Hardware 506 stainless steel lock, available to you from Cottco Specialty Hardware. Thanks for stopping by. We appreciate your business, and you have a great day. Bye-bye.